How to transfer money with Wise. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money with Wise. So let's get into it. So open up your Wise account, and then what you want to do is just select the bank account that you have. So you can see I have US, Canada as well. You can just simply go ahead and select the account and then click on send, and then just choose who you want to send it to. Or what you can do is just simply click on the send button right here underneath your balance. Then choose the bank account that has that balance. For example, I have the US account. Then what you want to do is just select the currency, so you can choose the currency. You can switch to same currency or international. And over here are going to be your fees as well. And then down below, you can see you have other currencies as well. Then what you want to do is just simply click on continue, and choose the recipient account. So let's say I want to send it to someone here. I'm going to choose the account, select the reason for sending the amount, click on continue, review your receipts, and then just simply click on confirm and send, and there you go. That is how you do it. That is how you transfer money with Wise. Give it a couple of seconds, and that is it. That is how you do it. That is how you transfer money with Wise. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.